Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shellcraft One and my old barn door, and I finally finished the Tall Skinny fall journals that I've been working on, and I used my Falling for Autumn kit that is currently in the shop. And so I just wanted to do a quick flip through. I may just do a flip through of one because they're all very, very similar, as you can see with the tabs, and everything. I kind of did kind of a uniform thing, and so I think I'll just flip through one, maybe two, according to how time goes or whatever. But anyways, so I'm just going to do a quick flip through and let you see them. Once you see this video, these journals will be in the shop. They're all going to be in the same listing, and you can pick your journal by the pull down menu and just pick it by number, and the numbers are in the order of how they're pictured. So that's kind of how you'll be able to get these. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and just show you the front of each one, and then we'll do the flip through. So this one I have with the flowers. How pretty is that? And this is pumpkin everything. So these are Tall Skinny journals. They're about 11 1/4 inches tall, maybe 11 1/2, something like that. So just fun little journals, and I've made them very affordable so that you can grab a fall journal and use it for Thanksgiving, or you can use it through October and November, however you want to. So this is the one with flowers and the butterfly. It says sweater weather. This one I love with the house. Kind of looks like a farmhouse. These are lightly themed farmhouse style journals. I tried to leave them kind of as neutral as I can so that you can use them however you want to. This way to the pumpkin patch. And then there's this one with the birds. How pretty are they? Dear Autumn, I've fallen for you. Love the little birds. So they each have the vintage ledger cover, and I'll show you what I mean when I do a flip through. This one says autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. I love the pumpkins and the little lantern. Hopefully I'm showing this. I'm sorry I'm sticking this up in your face, but I'm just trying to make sure you can see it. And then there's this one with the decorated house, and I think I used this one in the digital kit. A lot of these I did, and some of them I didn't use in the digital kit. Excuse my finger, I cut it while I was chopping veggies the other night, and so I had to bandage it up. This one says give thanks and eat pie. I thought that was cute with all the pumpkins. Okay, so let me clear off the desk, and then we'll do the flip through. Okay, so I think that's good. So I just have them tied with the chenille. It's the torn chenille. I think it's chenille. All except this one, and this one is like a sari silk fabric, and I love the color of it to go with this green background. So on these you have, like I say, the ledger cover, which is this. This here is a belly band. I don't have anything. Let's see. It's a belly band. And not all of them have that. But on the back you see you have the very vintage ledger. Let me cut that. How are y'all today? I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've been able to do a video, but life has just changed things for me. So I'm just kind of going with the flow. So I will get videos out as soon as I can and as much as I can, and I just decided I'm not going to stress about it because there's nothing I can do about it. This is one of the digitals that's in the kit. Anyways, so I'm just not going to stress about it. I'm just going to go with the flow and do what I can, and not worry about the rest. This can be like a little tuck. I absolutely am in love with this scarecrow. How stinking cute is he? He's in the digital kit too. So if you want to go over and check that out. He's in there several times, and I've also got some fussy cuts of him. You have the tabs. Some of the tabs might be a little different, but most of them are basically the same. And then you have all kinds of vintage book pages as the pages in the journal. And then here's our pockets that we made together on video, or that, you know, I did a video on them anyway. Here's one of the tags from the kit, and I've just got it tied with some pretty sorry tie up at the top, and I love how she shows through the window with the little pumpkin. This is one of the pages from the kit. I only have one kit. A little tag there. You have some vintage shorthand, some little journaling cards. This is a page from the kit, and I've just printed on the back of all of them so that you don't have any just blank white paper, but you have lined papers that you can write on. And I kind of did them a little wonky just to give it a little added interest. There's one of the pockets, and here's the tag strip from the kit. And then you also have the little coin envelopes. There's nothing in this one, but you can put what you want to in there. So anyways, what have y'all been up to? I hope that you're all doing well. You have the little file folder in the kit. So I tucked that. Each one has the little fabric pocket. I hope you're all doing well. And I hope that life is treating you well and that you're having a good time with your craft. We've had lots and lots of things going on here. Here's I did add some ledger pages into the journals too. These are from 1904. I think all of them are from the early 1900s. Here's one of the digitals in the kit. There's my favorite little scarecrow again. I just love him. Some of the fussy cuts in the kit. That one flips out. I'm trying to remember what I was saying, y'all. Y'all know how I am. There's one of the little pockets that we made on that video. And again, the little scarecrow. He's just going to be in here a lot, y'all. I can't help it. He's just too stinking cute. This is one of the lined background pages in the kit, and it's just lightly lined so that you can write over the image if you would like. Some journaling cards. This is some vintage. This is a very large vintage sewing pattern, actually. It was a huge sewing pattern. Love, love, love the treehouse. Wouldn't y'all love to have that for like a weekend getaway? And you have another tag tucked into one of the pockets from the kit. Some more of that vintage shorthand, or the other side of it. Coffee dyed paper. Another one of the envelopes from the kit and some of the cutouts. And then, oops, that is the back of the journal, or the last page of the journal. And again, this is a belly band here. And again, not all of them have that, and I'll show you. I'll do a flip through of one more just to kind of show you the difference, you know, or the differences that you might see. Okay, so here's this one. This is the pumpkin everything one. So again, you have the ledger as the cover, the vintage ledger. And so on most of them, I have left the inside blank so that you can do what you want to with it, whether you want to put a pocket or a belly band or journal, whatever you want to do. I just kind of left most of them blank. The only reason I did this one this way is because I forgot to put the tie underneath here. See how I have the tie underneath this piece here? So that's why I did this one this way, and I didn't want it to just be strung across there, so I just made a belly band out of it. So, you know, when we forget to do things or don't do everything exactly the same, we improvise, and This is one of the pages from the kit. There's a little pocket with one of my vintage checks from another kit in my shop. You got music. There's the little scarecrow again. This is one of the fussy cuts from the kit. And this is from my fall labels from, I think, last year or year before last kit. It's still in the shop, of course. Here's one of those lined pages. Your fabric pocket. And then here's a tag from one of, I think these are from 2021, I think. And then one of the fussy cuts. But this is from, you know, I have several kits that I did. I think they're from 2021. Several fall kits. So I think one of them's Oh My Gourd. One of them's Pumpkin Everything. And the other one is, I can't remember the name of the other one. But anyway, if you go into my shop and you click on the Fall Digital Kits tab, you'll find them. Some vintage typing paper. This is from one of those kits from 2021 too. Here's one of the pockets we did together, and I love how the ledger looks on the little flap. So I just glued the flap down in one of the tags, and I've printed on the back of all of the tags so that you have a good background for journaling on. A good writable background. And all of the prints that I've printed on the backs of these pages. Here's some vellum, vellum ledger from one of my ledger kits. All of these that I've printed on the background are from my backgrounds to write on kit, or I don't know if that's the exact name of it, but anyway, it's in there. There's one of the envelopes. Here's one of the pages. There's your ledger page from the early 1900s. No, these are from 18, I don't know if that says 1876 or 1846 or maybe 1896, but anyway, it's from the 1800s. We'll just leave it at that. There's a pretty tag from the kit. This is one of the pages from the kit with my favorite scarecrow. This is a label from one of those other kits, the other fall kits. Some vintage book page. This is from a vintage, I don't know if this is Greek or Hebrew, but I just think it's really cool. So there's the center of the signature. There's your ticket strip and one of the Toscany pockets. This is some dictionary page. I don't know if this is, I think this is a French dictionary page. I do have some light French connotations in these journals, so that one can be a tuck. Not all of them have this little tuck. Love, love, love that pumpkin. Another one of the pockets, and it has the tag in there from the kit. I love this scarecrow too. He's so stinking cute. I don't know, I was just really into scarecrows this year for some reason. So we went with it. That one flips open so you can add another page. And I added plenty of your tie so that you can really bulk these up if you want to and make them good and thick and stuff them really well if if that's what you want to do. But it leaves you lots of room to journal and put your goodies in the journals. And then this is a little pocket here. I just didn't tuck anything in there. And that is the end of that journal. So that just kind of gives you an idea of, maybe some of the differences in the journal. And like I say, they're very, very similar. So anyways, I just wanted to let y'all know I got them finished. They're in the shop and you can go and grab one. I was thinking about doing some Halloween ones, but I don't think I'm going to have time because, life happens and time has just gotten away from me. So I'm probably going to just go ahead and start on my Christmas stuff as I have time. So I don't know. We'll see. I may change my mind, but it is what it is, and whatever it is will be. Que sera, sera, right? Oh, Lord, I need to just stop now. Oh, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. My dad's coming for the weekend. And then next weekend, we're having company that we're super excited about. I'll tell y'all that sometime later. But, anyways, some good, really good things are happening in our life. So, anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend or week, the rest of your week and weekend. I don't think I'll be able to do another video this week. I've just got too much going on, and the whole family's coming Saturday to cook out. So it's just going to be a big deal. So we're just going to have fun and enjoy life. And I hope that you are enjoying your life, whatever may be going on in your life. And yeah. So anyways, run over, grab your favorite journal, and I will see you in the next video. Big hugs. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.